Oh, hey guys! Today we're gonna be learning how to make a one skillet meal, here on, Broke Boy Makes Food. We're gonna be making barbecue pork chop sandwich with sauteed onions and, baked beans. Yeah. Ooh, you see that? Got the preheating my skillet here, and I put the bottom, coated it with oil. Ooh, see that? Cut up my onions here. We're gonna saute these. So yeah, get them in there. Hear that? Hear that sizzling? Yeah. So you know that's how you know they're hot. That's how you know it's hot. So we're gonna let these brown for just a little bit. Ooh, that's some quality B-roll right there. Yeah. So as I already stated, we're gonna be making pork chops. So got my big old bag of meat right here. And we're going to get some out. Alright, some prime pork right there. Get out of the way. There's a good old top rooting right there. Yeah. Alright, now we got to season it. Take on some sea salt, a little bit of pepper, and garlic powder, not too much. Yeah, that's good. Good. I prefer my buns to be just a little warm, so I'm going to set them right there. Set them right there. Alright, you know your meat's ready to be flipped over when it comes off the bottom of the skillet nice and easy. So see that sear? That means it's cooking. Now I'll be making barbecue, so make sure you got some barbecue sauce that your roommate bought a year ago and hasn't used. So we'll set that, give it a little squirt of roni, get a little squirt of zoni. And you know what's that? Right on the middle, and I'll take my spatter and give that a little spread. Yeah. Now, I'm cooking with cast iron, and these things hold heat like no other. So I'm just going to turn the heat off. Got a can of beans. These are Bush's grilling beans. Kind of expensive, but they go a long ways if you're eating them day after day. So I'm going to put it right on in there. They get hot. Just set them in the fridge. Yeah. People used to make fun of me because I didn't like my food to touch, but look at that. You see that? There's 3 things in there. I think I'm burning my onion. But anyway, yeah, see that baby bubble? That's some good shit. Yeah, my bun. Alright, I think we're good to go. Well, here's what we're going to do. We're going to get that going, put it on the bottom bun. Take this. Take the onion goodness. Put it right on top. You know what? You can get a couple beans in there, but who cares? You know, tastes good. Get that there. Take the top bun, set her on top, spin her around. Is that hot? Yes, it is. Grab our thing, and then let her drip right on the plate. Yeah, nice and clean, like a baby's bottom. All right. So that's how you learn to cook food, broke boy style. Yeah. Hey guys, just give it the old taste test. It's pretty good. It's got a nice sear to it. The onions are caramelized. So, you know, thanks for watching.